If you have this, you don't have any excuse to be broke. Right now, I'm going to show you an amazing platform that you will literally make up to 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira minimum weekly just by doing social media jobs. I have used this same platform to earn this, so many of it. All I want you to do is to stick to the end of this video so that after watching this video, you will go and implement this exact step and start making money. From the comfort of your home. I'm at home. I'm a sit-at-home mom, so you don't have any excuse. This platform pays you just by performing social media jobs. All those hate comments you drop on your celebrities' posts that they are not paying you, come and do it here and you earn massively. So what you should do is to go to your browser and type in 5k-10k. Once the page comes like this, you click on create free account. It comes like this. All you need to do is to put in your full name and the invite code is required for you to get a bonus after registering on the account and verify you with just 1,000 naira. Then you put in Glory 54 and click on sign up. Then after you finish signing up, this is how your page will look like. Okay, this is, you see, congratulations, you are now a member after you verify your account with just 1,000 naira. Then you come to this place and click on earn. These are two ways you can earn here. You can resell other people's products and earn hopefully up to 100,000 naira monthly, or you can participate on the social media jobs. All right, and I'm going to show you the two. Just stick to the end of this video, like, share with your friends, and don't forget to follow me if you're watching on YouTube or any other social media platform. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any video related to money making tips, you will be the first to get notified. All right, then click there to get started. This platform, social media jobs, there are two ways. You can see over 3,000 jobs here to perform this engagement task, and this one are post ad. And when you see these ones, you can see 100 naira when you post on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and WhatsApp. All those WhatsApps, all those likes and comments you do on your TikTok here and nobody's paying you, go and register on this platform and earn money by commenting, liking, and doing those things you love to do. Go and do it. Sorry, this is another way you can also, and I think my network is slow, the product is still loading. So once you post any of these, you can click on reselling button and you copy it, download the image and post it. Any product you sell here, you make woefully commission. For those who will ask, Madam, is it paying? It's paying 100%. You can see it. You can check out all these dates. You can see it. Go and register. These are 100% payments I have withdrawn direct to my local bank account as a Nigerian. Go and register and start making money. You shouldn't have excuse. As long as you have a smartphone, you can make good amount of money for yourself. Don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me. Ciao. See you on my next video. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Peace.